How to download Snapseed on iOS. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open App Store on your phone. Tap on the search icon that is on the bottom right corner. As you do that, tap on search bar that is on the top and search for Snapseed. You can see on the very top, you can see this app. You want to go ahead and open it. Now, you will see a get icon right here instead of cloud icon. I have this cloud icon because I have already downloaded this app before. But if you haven't, you will see get instead of cloud icon. Now go ahead and tap on it, and after some time it will be downloaded. Before that, let's see what is Snapseed. So Snapseed is a photo editing app which have different filters, features and many other things from which you can make your picture perfect. After some time, it will be downloaded on your phone, and that is how you can download Snapseed on your iOS. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.